we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of ANFTDCO Bayonet style car tire pressure gauge with inflator. Consists of the following features. High quality material, this product is crafted from high-grade stainless steel and rubber. The stainless steel construction offers exceptional compressive strength, withstanding high-pressure impacts during inflation. It resists deformation or damage over extended use, significantly prolonging the product's lifespan. The rubber hose provides a comfortable tactile feel while enhancing sealing performance, reduce air pressure leakage. This product is widely compatible with most vehicle types, including saloon cars, lorries, SUVs, and motorcycles, catering to diverse user requirements. Its Quick Connect interface is compatible with air compressor outputs, enabling seamless connection to most standard air pump devices without additional adapters. Easy installation. First, locate the valve stem on the vehicle tire. Align the pressure gun's valve clamp precisely with the valve stem, ensuring accurate positioning before securing it tightly to guarantee a firm, leak-free connection. Next, connect the pressure gun to the air compressor's output via the connector, again ensuring a secure fit. Finally, simply press the lever gently to initiate the inflation flow. This product features precise tire pressure detection, capturing minute changes in tire pressure to provide accurate reference data. This aids in promptly identifying abnormal pressure conditions, enhancing driving safety. The pressure display range spans 0 to 200 psi, meeting the tire pressure monitoring and inflation needs of most vehicles. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.